Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of May. We will get messages from your person, love messages from your person, and we'll see what action will they take towards you for the rest of the month. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So, for the people who are here for the message of Virgo Spirit, give me love messages from their person, please. Love messages from Virgo's person, please. Spirit. You are very beautiful. I'm scared of relationships. Bring me pleasure. I feel the distance between us. Okay. Stop being an emotional mess, and you are different from others. I hate and love it at the same time. At the bottom we have you belong to me. Okay. So Virgo, this person could be very obsessive or possessive for you, and they feel that you belong to them. If your person feels you are very beautiful, if you are a male watching this video, then your person finds you very attractive and handsome. I'm scared of relationships with the bring me pleasure. Could be physical intimacy only that this person wants from you, because this person is scared of relationships. I'm not saying they don't have that emotional feelings for you, but this person, I don't think they are ready to give you commitment. Even if you guys are in a relationship, they are scared of a heartbreak. For now they are feeling the distance between you guys, and it could also happen after a week or so. And stop being an emotional mess. You are different from others. I hate and love it at the same time. I feel there could be some arguments or drama in a near future. If it's not your present situation, your person would feel that you are very emotional and emotional mess, to be precise. So but they would still be there, because I feel you are different for this person and they love you. We will clarify it with tarot though. So someone could be very focused on their finances right now, or being stable in their life, be it in their love life or financial life. So let's clarify what's your very beautiful spirit. This person fantasizes about you a lot, Virgo. If they are not reaching out to you, or if they are not opening up their heart to you, this is because they are scared, but they are very interested in you and they just don't know how to express it, that they find you very attractive. This person has their eye on you, and I'm seeing betrayal here, but could be a very spiritual connection that you guys share. But I'm seeing that this person hides from you, that they find you very attractive, and yes, they don't share it with you. That's what I'm getting here. But this person fantasizes about you a lot. This person could be very practical, but very good at what they do for work or something, and could be dealing with a Libra, or someone is having Libra in their chart, or Aquarius, but could be any sign though. This person wants to make things right with you, but they feel it's right to just have an intellectual connect with you and not to share with you that they find you very attractive and they find it the right thing to do, right way to do. They are scared of heartbreak, and it's their ego that they are not letting you know that they are very attracted towards you. This person is scared of relationship, and this person likes to stay single. They want their freedom, they like their freedom. They are scared of being alone in a relationship. They would feel that you could be dealing with someone who feels that you will leave them alone when the time comes. Yes, They are afraid of a heartbreak, they are afraid of a betrayal, they are afraid of a rejection. This is why this person is scared of relationships. And they, even if you're dealing with someone who just pretend that they're very happy, they cannot live with one person, this is because they are scared from inside, and this is just a show. That they like drinks, they like to have sex with random people, something like that. They like to stay single and exploring their options. This is just a show. This person, deep down, they have a fear of rejection, and they have a fear that the other person would leave them and they would be all alone. Five of Pentacles here. They are afraid of being alone, so they like to stay single so that they don't have to go through that pain. Could be this person could have had a breakup in a past and someone had left them out in the cold, and this is the reason this person is very scared of a heartbreak and that loneliness. What is bringing pleasure, spirit? Bring me pleasure. This person is ignoring their own emotions. Now you could be dealing with someone who just say that they like that physical intimacy and they don't want anything emotional. For others of you, I'm getting, if it's not only physical intimacy, this person just wants something casual with you, but the reason is they are ignoring their own emotions because of fear of being alone, and they are afraid of a heartbreak, but they do have emotions for you. They do want to start this again. They do want an emotional connect with you. And Ace of Cups here. This person loves you, Virgo, but they are just afraid and they are ignoring their own emotions. They would like to keep it purely casual or sexual. So just apply it to the situation. Could be, I'm seeing fights here, I'm seeing too many people, I'm seeing competition here. Could be ego issues, could be arguments, but someone could have decided to stay closed off and they feel the distance between you guys because of that arguments, fights you guys had. Yes, someone wanted to cooperate, but they feel that they were the only one who is there to fix this situation, and the other person is not ready to fix this relationship or issues you guys had. So someone walked away, yet the other person was waiting. Even if this person has walked away from your life, this person is still waiting for you, Virgo. But someone did not cooperate, someone was not ready to cooperate, and I'm seeing separation here. So you guys broke up or someone got very hurt. Yes, I'm seeing a lot of confusion here, a lot of holding back, waiting and walking away, drama. But someone was alone there when it comes to cooperation, so the other person left. Stop being an emotional mess. When it comes to commitment, Virgo, this person wants to tell you, stop being an emotional mess. You could be scared of a work on a particular relationship. Like every relationship has some issues and you need to work to maintain that relationship. And I'm feeling that this person, I'm not saying this, Virgo, but this is the message I'm getting from this reading, that you are scared to put that work, you are scared to commit, and this is their message for you, that stop being an emotional mess when it comes to commitment or relationships, and stop being afraid of those deep connections and the work you need to put on a relationship, something like that. Okay, you are like a child to them. You're different from others. I hate and love it at the same time. You are unafraid. You don't think. You are impulsive. You don't think much. You sometimes act like a fool. Like, I'm not saying literally fool. For some of you, yes. But for most of you, I'm getting that you act like a child. Now, I'm not saying you act like an immature energy. There's a difference between being childish and being childlike. So this person sees you as childlike. They like your that behavior where you are ready to take a risk, you don't think much, you act like you act like a free bird, something like that, and they find you very, how to say, they feel that pull towards you, like they find you very cute, something like that, find your energy very cute, and they are attracted towards you. You could be a very happy person. Like when it comes to your relationship, you are an emotional mess, as per this spread, Virgo. But in general, you could be a happy person. You could act like a child when you are in your good, when you are in a good energy. So this person likes that about you, and this is the reason they feel that pull towards you. They may not say it to your face, but they feel a deep soulmate connection with you, and they want a balance in this relationship. Even if they have walked away from you, they want to come back towards you, Virgo, and they want to have a new start with you. I feel that someone got a closure of a third party, but situation could be getting very toxic. But for now, you guys could be having an emotional or physical distance, and you guys want to have a closure, but someone is holding back to give that commitment to meet the other person. It could also be possible, and yes, to give that commitment as well. So let's see, what can we expect? What action will they take towards Virgo spirit? What can get receptive for the rest of the month? 3 cards, please. Okay, for next few days, this person, you will feel their energy, but I am seeing silence here. Someone will be very focused on their finances, but eventually this person will come back towards you. I have 10 of Pentacles here with the Ace of Cups and 2 of Cups, Virgo. This is beautiful. This person will come back to you. They will offer you a new beginning, a new emotional start, new love here, and connection will be mutual. For some of you, I'm getting this person will focus on their finances. Eventually they will feel stable in their emotional and financial life, and they will come back towards you. I also feel, Virgo, if it could also be a new person for you and new love for you, and you will feel that mutual connection with that person, mutual love, soulmate kind of love. Yes, but I'm strongly getting that if this person has walked away from you, even if you are together with this person, but if you were feeling the distance between you guys, expect things to work out eventually in this month. So that's what I'm getting for you. I really hope this reading helped you, Virgo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.